Alright, y'all, back again with another video. Check it out what I got on here today, y'all. Doing some fried collard greens. Alright, you never tried it before, you know how I do 'em. I'm back again on the, you see where I'm at, right? I ain't gotta say. Y'all know what I'm cooking on. Alright, y'all should check it out. One day try it. Tell me what y'all think about it. Yeah, shit, check it out. Looking good. A little olive oil in the pan. Shit, a little salt and pepper on there. You're good to go. You know what I mean? Shit, a little salt and pepper. Yeah. Stand by. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Alright, y'all. Check it out. A little seasoning salt on there or something. How you want to do your greens, you know. Everybody got different stuff. So what I use right there, Larry's the best. Alright, y'all. Mr. Elwood video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. Alright, y'all. Tell me what y'all think about the fried greens on the grill. Alright, comment below and let me know. Alright. Peace out. I'm gone. Have a good day.